it's Alex. I just got my new metal detector winning, so I took it to the park for a minute to mess with it. And I can't believe I dug a wheat cent out of the park that I've come to like 100 times with my other metal detectors. So right now I have like a coin signal. Don't mind my toes, I gotta paint them. So it says it's 6 inches. I don't really want to do that, but I'll see what's there and I'll let you guys know if I find anything. Okay, you guys, I like have dug this far. Oh my gosh. So at this park, well, within my county, luckily I can go to the county parks and use the metal detector. But you're not allowed to use a digging tool, longer than 12 inches. So you're left with garden tools. I don't have like the fancy metal detectorist's shovel, nor do I have a fancy pinpointer. So when things say that they're like pretty deep, I kind of like moan and groan about it because it takes ages and I feel like I'm like wasting my time. So I've dug this far. Those are just rocks under there, and I still don't see anything, and it still says it's 6+ inches. See? It's making me crazy. Okay, guys. Alright, so I covered up that hole because it was taking forever. I'm running out of time. But I do have a coin signal that says that it's not very deep. So my last nickel signal, I didn't record it, I should have. It was just a washer. So see, Florida sand. Like I watch YouTube videos on the guys metal detecting, and they have these nice like little plugs that they take out. I don't see anything that they take out of the ground, and our sand just like falls everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna go back over it again. I don't know. I can't spend too much time on one hole because I don't have a lot of time. So let's see. I'm in the way. Okay, so that way it didn't come. I wonder if it's in that pile. Sounds like it. Alright, let's see. It's in here. This is my pinpointer. You guys see anything? No. See, I don't have time for this. Just jump out of the hole and let's be done with it, right? Oh, well. Okay, might be still in the dirt. Well, fine. Dig right here. Dang it. Those rocks will throw you off. I don't know. Okay, I'm not gonna make you watch me. I'll let you know if I find something. Okay, guys, so I was like swinging the detector, and from what I know about these Garret machines, that when it's right on top of something, its little dinging noise will kind of double. Instead of going like ding, 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 it'll be like ding, 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 because it's super close to it. So I knew I was right on top of something. And look. It's a Lincoln Memorial, but I found it. Oh, and I'm wearing actually a Doug ring from Dig That Beep. He dug that ring. If you guys want to check him out too. Alright. Alright, let's cover this up. Alright guys, I'll let you know I have a little bit more time if I find anything else. So I dug this other hole because I had another coin signal, and I just waved the detector over this pile, and it was doing like that double ding that I was telling you about. So look, there it is. Woohoo! Let's see. It's a dime. Oh, sorry. The sun is not good right now. 2014. Woohoo! Okay, let me scan the hole again. It's beeping for a nickel or pull tab. So I'm running out of time. So we're gonna cover that. That sand is not the best. Alright guys, I'll be back if I find anything else. Alright guys, so I had another signal for, it was going back and forth between nickel, pull tab, and ring. And this is what I pulled out. This piece of metal. So that was it in that hole. Hey guys, so I have to be done because I have to go get the kids. But this is what I was able to dig up in like the 40 minutes. Well, that I didn't dig. Well, it was under the mulch, so I just scooted the mulch around and it was there. I dug that, and then some dimes. I didn't film like every single thing, but, and I dug that. Some microchip ID, I guess. Where's my, I didn't film it. Here it is. So I know, like, if any like awesome metal detector guys like happen to ever see one of my videos, they, you know, hit sites that has like colonial era stuff. So I have no shame. This is my oldest coin that I've ever dug, and I'm proud. It is a 1941 wheat cent. So, yep, that is what I found with the half an hour or 40 minutes or so that I had with my new winnings. The Garret Ace 200 from My Digger's Den on YouTube and Instagram. So I just wanted to share that. I went to like a regular park that I come to a lot. I come walking here and I take the kids here, and I'll metal detect here like every, I don't know, other week. So I figured that'd be a good place to test it out. So anyways, thanks again, Brandon from My Digger's Den. I'm super excited to have it, and I hope you like my first metal detecting video. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys like maybe soon. Okay, bye.